Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a great day. I'm gonna do this basic baddie look. It's a look that a lot of people can pull off. It's kind of like a classic, like modern glam, like Instagram glam, where you look hot as fuck, but also kind of like a bitch. We're gonna start off with foundation. This is Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream. It has SPF 30. It's very moisturizing. It's delicious for the skin. I use the shade Light. I just squeeze that onto my face directly and then buff it in with a flat kabuki brush. I'm putting some of that on my eyelids as well because we're gonna be doing just a regular skin toned eyeshadow anyway. Now we're gonna bring some lightness to the face and conceal using the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear Concealer in the shade C1. I'm placing that under my eyes towards the center of my face, in between the eyes, going up towards the forehead. Drag that along the sides of the cheekbone to really elongate the cheekbone and give a very snatched, lifted appearance. I also put it on my mustache, like on the side. Now we're going to bring some natural looking shadows to the face. This is the Kiko Milano Sculpting Touch Contour Stick in the shade 201. One line right on my cheekbones, a little on my hairline, square off the tip of the nose, and a little bit under my eyebrows, and then just kind of trace along my jawline. And now I'm taking a brush that's almost exactly like the brush that I used for my foundation. I'm just going to blend all of that together. This is the KVD Brow Pomade in the shade Graphite, which is perfect for really dark brown hair or black hair. And I'm using a small angled brush to trace out the top and bottom of the front half of the brow. Most of the product is going down right in the middle front of the brow, like kind of right in front of the arch. And then when you don't have a lot of product left on the brush, go into the front area and draw in some hair-like strokes and that nice kind of ombre looking effect. For eyeshadow, we are using the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette, and I'm going in with a very taupey brown shade, kind of like a shade that I would contour my nose with. So we just want this color to be all over the eye and very blown out in a diagonal like V shape towards the outer edge. You can see I blow it out a lot. I have it almost going out as far as my eyebrow, just because I really like that big, enlarged, like cat eye look. I also like to drag that same shade on the lower lash line. This adds a little bit of a grungier look. If you want more of that classic like pinup glamour type vibe, maybe don't put it on the lower lash line, but I enjoy the grunginess, honey. Now for eyeliner, this is the best eyeliner of all time, Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. As you can see, I'm holding a handheld mirror and looking down into it. Start out with the inner corner. I draw the initial line across my lash line first, and then drag the wing out towards my eyebrow. Once I have the bottom line of the wing done, then I will go in and draw the top part, kind of make it a triangle, and then just fill in the space in between. Lately, I've been obsessed with adding a little eyeliner in the inner corner just to really elongate my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. For mascara, I am using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. This is actually one of my favorite mascaras nowadays. It comes with 2 different wands. How bomb is that? I don't think I can ever go back to just using a regular mascara with only 1 wand. It's just not enough for me anymore. So one side is for volume. It has this big kind of chunky wand that gets a lot of product on the lash. I use that for my top lashes. It works for the bottom too though. And then curl and length, I'll use that for my bottom ones just because the wand is smaller and I can really get in there and make sure to paint every single lower lash. And I'm just absolutely obsessed with this mascara. It's too good. For fake lashes, this is what the kind that I really like look like. They're very spiky and they're winged out at the end. Place it on your natural lash, looking down into a handheld mirror. Once the lash is placed, you're going to secure the inner corner and then the outer corner. And when I am doing a winged eyeliner like this, I always place the outer corner of my fake lash a little bit higher, so it's actually hovering above my lash line, and I place it in the middle of my eyeliner, and it gives a nice lifted look. When the glue is dry, I just like to squish my falsies to my regular lashes with the lash tweezers. My lip combo today is ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Little One and Pixie liquid lipstick in the shade Posh Nude. And let me just tell you right now, these Pixie liquid lipsticks are so beautiful. The formula is stunning. It's soft, long wearing, it doesn't feel dry at all. So easy to apply and put on. The packaging is beautiful too. I need them to make like a black. So Pixie people, if you're watching, get with it. For blush and highlight, I'm using this Pixie Nuance Quartet in the shade Honey Nectar. The upper left quadrant for my blush, it's an adorable coral peachy pink. And then for the highlight, I use the lower right quadrant, or I might have mixed the 2 right quadrants. And there you have it. There is the basic baddie, perfect modern glam. Let me know what you guys think of the look down in the comments below. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.